Hey, what's up everybody? It's Iron Giant Fishing, bringing you party boat blackfish fishing. It's really an instructional. A lot of people, when they get on party boats going with blackfish, it's a new experience for them. I'm gonna really just try to do a quick video on, different tips and tricks. If you like this video, like what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. Most importantly, subscribe. And I don't know, let's get to fishing. Hello, my name is Sergio Sullivan, and welcome to Iron Giant Fishing. Dragged me into the rocks on the top candy and I lost the jig. Alright, so one of the things you want to do when you first get to the boat, try to get to the very front. Get to the very front, get to the very back, the corners. You want space to throw your baits around. Pockets where these blackfish live. Try to be as productive as you can be. Yeah. I'm a big piece of crab. They're here. So awesome. Using a 4-0. I don't even know what the hell this type of hook is. Y'all can see it. 8 ounce. Exactly how you really grab a part, just like that. Sometimes I like leaving the legs on. That's what we do, just like that. Search around. Another thing, don't bob your rod. Keep your rod nice and still. Just like that. Don't pick it up. Try to keep it on the rack. Don't do anything fancy. Keep it nice and still. Hey, what's up everybody? So all the files that I had from that moment where I set the hook on the blackfish to the end of the video, including the outro, were unusable for some reason. Now, I don't know if it's because of the editing software I use or the GoPro, because I've been having some issues with the same GoPro that I'm holding right now. Most likely going to be creating a GoFundMe to help me get a newer model. I would love and appreciate the support from my fans and from my followers. I need it, so yeah, let's go over the tips. Tip number 1: fish the very front or the back of the boat by the corners, so you're able to really search around with your bait. You can punch here, punch there, get your bait into different holes and try to find fish. Also, tip number 2: try to keep your crab pieces small in the beginning. If you start getting a better bite, you can go to whole crabs, or if you look around and see that the other fishermen are catching fish on whole crabs, switch to whole crabs. Try to do what the successful fishermen are doing. Try to copy that. 3 1/0 to 4/0 hooks. You don't really need that big a hook. Sinker size, however strong the current is, that's what you want to use. 4, keep your rod still. Do not move your rod that much. They're skittish. Blackfish are skittish. They can be very shy, so don't do that. Outside of that, you know, just be aware and observe your surroundings. See what's working. See what you could do to be better, and you'll be a more successful blackfish fisherman. It's a very tough style of fishing, probably the toughest style of fishing, but it's fun and the reward is amazing. So with that being said, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And stay beautiful, everybody. I apologize for this. It bothers me.